I have gotten another ultra weapon bribe and I'm so excited to open this. Okay, I'm hoping so much for the E6 Stingray. I need it so much. Come on. Jack, I'll pay you money. I know that's what you like. I'll pay you money, come on. Please. Oh, Switchblade MK2, that could be alright. Oh yeah, all good. Oh well. We didn't get the E6 Stingray, but we got the MK2 of the Switchblade, which will be cool. I'll just quickly go and put that outfit on. I think I got 2 outfits, I'm pretty sure. Oh, I have a better outfit for him, so I'm not gonna put that one on. Alright, let's go equip this, there, yeah. Cool. Alright, well, we should get into some gameplay then. I'll just find a game and then, oh, that camera looks nice. Just find a game and then, yeah. I'm just gonna check out all the things you get. Rapid fire would be good. Rapid fire 2 would be even better. Grip might be nice because the accuracy is not that great, as you can see. It's just gonna spray so bad, this gun. It's just gonna but yeah. Alright, we're in the game. We're gonna do our first game with the MK2 Switchblade. I just got this thing for Firebreak. It's quite a cool outfit. I like it.
Team deathmatch.
Got a thumbnail. That looks quite nice. Alright. Wow, this is powerful. Oh my god. I was reloading. Looks like quick mags would be good for that too. I hate reloading and then someone just comes out of nowhere. So annoying. Wow. That accuracy is amazing. The accuracy is not the greatest on this. From far distance, at close range I reckon it is.
Recon kill.
Oops.
Disruptor going out.
Come here, boy.
She's dead.
Where's she? Oh, damn.
Taking the lead.
Ready to irradiate.
Oh.
She's dead.
Oh. One more. Oh. Into the make it triple kill middle. And one down here. If you guys watched my last video, I got the locust. Oh. So I'll be keen to make a class as what the locust is my secondary and this is my primary. Or the locust is my primary and this is my secondary.
Hostile TAC deploy beacon online.
Oh my god. Paladin, the Paladin is just so powerful. I wish the Locust was a one-shot, because the Locust is only a one-shot from pretty much the belly button up, and then to like your elbows. So that's, I saw like a thing showing where the Locust has a one-shot kill. So like belly button down, and if you hit the like hands or legs, it's gonna be a hit marker, which kind of sucks. So you always pretty much gotta aim for the head or the chest. But yeah.
Disruptor going out.
my god. That's wonderful. Thank you again. Give me my weapon back. Please, that's cool when you pick it up. That looks cool.
Full ahead.
That's sick when you pick it up.
We've lost the lead.
Come here, boy.
We've taken control.
Radiate you.
Burning ice pick.
He doesn't even know I'm behind him. What a noob.
Purifying.
You're a sign. Just get him. Just get him. I'm gonna burn you. Oh,
Sniper fire.
told you. I'm gonna get you.
Marksman working.
One of my clips glitched out, so I'm just gonna skip this clip. So, something weird happened. I was creating, like I was saying before, a Switchblade and a Locust class, and I go to put the Locust in, and I see that the Vendetta's unlocked.
Team deathmatch.
So, I got the Vendetta for free, and I'm not even tier 50, I'm tier 26, I'm pretty sure. So, I don't know what happened here. So, like, guess I got the Vendetta now. If I get banned, I'll be so angry because it's their fault. They're the one who gave me it. I didn't choose to get the Vendetta. But, yeah. So, I'm gonna be making a video on the Vendetta, obviously. Yeah, I don't know why I got it. I just did. You know, be like that because I'm so cool. See, look at that Vendetta. I'll change it. You guys can get a little. I'll show you a little bit of me playing the Vendetta, and then there'll be a full video of me playing with the Vendetta out. I'll edit it straight after this. But like the Switchblade is so good. I like it. I honestly glad I got it.
Hostile UAVs
Still would have liked the X6 Stingray. Look at that. That's so powerful. But it's the thing, whatever it's called. Switchblade is good.
multiple
I needed a
hostile
good
UAVs
SMG. My best SMG was a Cordite. So yeah.